Good evening, everyone. Here, this is 17 Hathaway here, and this is I was gonna do an unboxing today of the handcuffs, but I couldn't. But these are the new handcuffs here, if you can see these. Yep. And here's the thing on here for holding main on it. You can see that pretty better. You can see that 10 times better than the other ones I first got. The first Model 100, but these are standard Model 100s. Yes. Yep. Okay, guys, so these handcuffs are very good. They're just a little bit stiff. Yep. These double lockings are going to be a little bit difficult here since you have to give it a few seconds. That one just locked right in. But these are brand new here. These are just standard Model 100s, and I ordered these from Amazon. They arrive really, really fast here. And today's Tuesday. Oops. Yep. Hold on. Let's see if we can get it from a better angle. Okay. Oops, sorry. There we go. Okay, guys, so these are my excellent handcuffs here. Yep. Alrighty, folks, and we have a big winter storm tomorrow, so try to stay off the road as much as you can, please. And have a good night. And if we do have any school tomorrow morning, it'll be early release. But if there's no school tomorrow, then have a good day here, folks. And I might do more videos with my new handcuffs. See ya. Have a good night.